In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Segmetrics with Shopify. By the end of this guide, you'll have all the tools you need to seamlessly integrate these platforms and optimize your e-commerce metrics tracking. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and search for Segmetrics. This is an important step, as Segmetrics will allow you to analyze your customer data effectively. Once you find the Segmetrics site, make sure to log in using your established email and password. It's crucial to ensure that your credentials are correct to smoothly access your account and all of its features. If you've forgotten your password, utilize the reset option instead of getting frustrated. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to head over to the site setup page within Segmetrics. This section is central to your setup process because it's where you'll grab your unique pixel code. This pixel is vital as it will help you track all kinds of customer interactions with greater detail and precision. Now let's shift over to your Shopify admin. Here, you'll need to navigate to the online store section and then select Themes. Once you're on the Themes page, locate your current theme. You'll notice 3 dots next to it. Go ahead and click on these dots. From the menu that appears, choose the option labeled Edit Code. This will take you to a place where you can make changes to the core code of your Shopify site. Once inside the code editor, look for the file named theme.liquid. This is where you'll be pasting your tracking pixel. Scroll through the file until you find the closing tag. This tag marks the end of the head section of your site, so be careful not to place the pixel in the wrong spot. While it may seem a bit technical, placing the pixel just before this closing tag ensures it runs efficiently as your customers navigate through your website. After you've pasted your Segmetrics tracking pixel code, don't forget the crucial step: saving your changes. This ensures that the changes take effect and you'll start tracking data without hiccups. To do this, simply click on the Save button at the top right corner of the code editor. You're almost there. To fully leverage Segmetrics, it's essential to connect your email service provider and any ad platforms you use to your Segmetrics account. This ensures comprehensive data tracking across all traffic sources, allowing you to get the fullest picture of your marketing efforts and customer interactions. This might involve following the specific integration instructions provided by Segmetrics, so consult their help resources if needed. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Segmetrics with Shopify. This setup will enhance how you track and interpret your store's data, supporting you in making informed decisions that drive your business forward. Thank you for tuning in, and happy selling.